How are you all? Hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. Let's start today's video. Class 3rd, subject Maths, Chapter 1, Measuring Time. And this is our lecture number 5. 4 lectures we have done in the previous video. Previously we have done 4 lectures and today we are going to discuss lecture number 5. In this video, our subtopics are number 1, conversion, that is days into hours. In this video, first of all, we are going to do conversion from days to into hours. After that, hours into minutes. Initially, we will do days into hours. After that, hours into minutes. After then exercise 1C, the remaining parts we are going to do, and then activity. That is on page number 13. Okay children, so these topics today we are going to cover in our video. Let's start with conversion days into hours. Conversion of months into days we have done in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss days into hours. Okay children, so initially we are going to do days into hours. To convert days into hours, whenever you want to convert days into hours, so then what do you have to do? To convert days into hours, we multiply the number of days by 24. To convert days into hours, we multiply the number of days by 24. Why 24? As you all know, why we multiply by 24? As because you are going to convert days into hours, that's why you have to multiply the number of days by 24. Why? As because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. You know this thing very well कि 1 day में total 24 hours होते हैं. That's why whenever you want to convert days into hours, it's needed to multiply the number of days by 24. आपको number of days को 24 से multiply करना होगा. Okay, so ultimate unit जो आपकी होगी that will be hours, क्योंकि आप hours में convert करने जा रहे हैं. That's why unit हो गया आपकी hours. This is the formula. This is the measurement. Okay children, so here is the first example. How many hours are there in 6 days? You have to find out the hours in 6 days. As you all know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day में total 24 hours होते हैं. That's why 6 days is equal to 6 multiply by 24. Here we will multiply by 24 because we are going to convert days into hours. So you have to multiply the number of days by the number of total hours in a day, means 24. 6 multiply by 24. Now let's do multiplication. Here 4 multiply by 6. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 2 14. It means total 144 days. 144 hours, sorry. It means total 144 hours. Why hours? Because we are converting days into hours. Okay, so unit must be the same whatever is asked in the question, and in this question the unit is hours. So this is asked how many hours are there in 6 days. You have to multiply the number of days by 24. और जब आप 24 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपके पास आंसर होता है 144. इसके लिए आपका आंसर होगा टोटल 144 hours. Children, the next is hours into minutes. In the next one you have to convert hours into minutes. आवर्स से भी जो छोटी यूनिट होते हैं हमारे मिनट, आपको घंटों को मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन यू विल गेट ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सम्स यू विल श्योरली गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. जब आप एक टाइम में बहुत सारे तरह के सम्स लेंगे ना, आवर्स इनटू मिनट, मंथ्स इनटू डेज, डेज इनटू आवर्स, so definitely you will get confused. It's common, but how to get rid from this confusion? इस confusion से आप कैसे बाहर निकल सकते हैं? आपको कैसे पता चले कि कौन से सम में आपको कौन सी यूनिट पुट करनी है, आपके लास्ट में क्या यूनिट होगी, और आपको कौन सा फॉर्मूला पुट करना है? हाउ यू विल गेट टू नो? द इजी वे, लुक एट द क्वेश्चन ट्वाइस. आपको क्वेश्चन को ट्वाइस ग्लैंस लेना है क्वेश्चन के ऊपर. आपको डबल टाइम उसको देखना है, ट्रिपल टाइम देखना है, और देखना है कि व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. द आंसर इज हिडन इन द क्वेश्चन ओनली. आवर्स इनटू मिनट्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू थिंक इन योर माइंड हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आर देयर इन 1 hour. द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी इन मिनट्स, so you have to find 1 hour is equal to dash minute. Okay children? Okay children, so as I have mentioned, the answer is hidden in the question. Before doing any question, before taking example, let's know the fact about conversion hours into minute. To convert hours into minutes, we multiply number of hour by 60. We multiply number of hours by 60. Why 60? As because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. 1 hour में टोटल 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. और अब आप यहाँ इस क्वेश्चन में आवर्स टू मिनट कन्वर्ट करने जा रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी पुट हेयर hour to minute, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This thing you have to learn. Okay children, ये आपको learn करना ही होगा, otherwise you will not be able, you won't be able to solve the sums. But it's not difficult, it's very easy, and these are very interesting sums. Now let's take example, and the example is convert 5 hours into minutes. Here you have to convert 5 hours into minute. Let's take solution. First of all you have to keep remember how many minutes are there in 1 hour, and there are total 60 minutes in an hour, in 1 hour. That is why 5 hours will have more minutes. As 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 5 hours will be 5 multiplied by 60. As I have told you, multiply the number of hours by 60. Okay, the number of hours by 60. Here the number of hour is 5 and we multiply it by 60. So let's do multiplication. Here write ones and tens. I don't think so it's needed to tell you. You all know 2-digit number having 2 places. 60 and multiply by 5. 5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 5 6 are 30. The answer is 300. That's why here the answer would be 300 minutes. Okay children, I hope you have understood it. Okay children, well let's do book exercise, that is exercise number 1C, question number 3. Convert into hours. Hours, Hours. In this one you have to convert into hours. Let's convert first part A, 30 days. Let's convert it. Children, keep remember that we have to convert hours into days into hours. Here is the unit given, days into hours. So right here, first of all, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. That's why 30 days is equal to 30 multiplied by 24. Here you have to write the answer. In the multiplicand and multiplier, look at the total zeros. In multiplicand and multiplier, total only 1 0. In the product, write 1 0. The 0 is finished now. Now do multiplication of 3 and 24. In the side column, you can do 24 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. It means total 720 hours. Okay children, and you have to do this work in rough work side by side. No need to do it here. Okay. Next part B is 21 days 28 hours. In this one, days and hours both are given to you. First of all, hours do not need to get converted. Hours को आपको convert करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ days को convert करना है. Okay, so days को convert करने के बाद the number of hours which we will get, in that one we have to add the remaining hours. 21 days first of all needed to convert. As we all know, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. That's why 21 days is equal to 21 multiply 24. Now let us find the answer. Side by side you can do multiplication. 21 multiplied by 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4, 8 and 2, 10, carry 1, 1 and 4, 5, 504. So children, these you can write it here or as well here. 504 hours. Okay, by converting 21 days into hour, we got 504 hours. The remaining 28 hours, let's add here. 28 hours. And now the answer is 504 is here. Let's add these 28 more. 4 and 8, 12. Carry 1. You can write it side by side. 2 and 1, 3. 5. 532. Total we can say 532 hours. The unit would be same as it is asked in the question. Hours. Have you got it, children? Okay, so like this you have to do. Question number 4, it is the next question. Convert into minutes. In this question, you have to convert into minutes. You have to convert hours into minutes. And as you all know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Well, okay children, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Part B we are going to do first. 4 hours 98 minutes. In this one, hours as well as minutes given to you. Let us convert hours into minute first. Okay children. So let us write here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Fine. That is why 4 hours is equal to 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to, let us multiply It's very simple and very easy. Multiplicand and multiplier. Let's find out the 0. Total 10. This one, now it's finished. 4 6 are 24. 240 minutes. Now if you will look it carefully, these 4 hours you have converted. 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Now these loose minutes are also here. So 240 minutes plus 90 minutes, 98 minutes. Plus 98 minutes. Now let us count. 240 plus 98 is equal to 8, 9, 4 and 9, 13, carry 1, 1 and 2, 3, 338. Here we will write 338 minutes. Unit would be same as is given in the question. In the question, it's given convert into minutes. That's why we are going to write here 338 minutes. Okay, children? Children, next is part D, 1 day, 2 hours. First of all, let us convert day is equal to hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So this 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours, there is no need to write 1 multiplied by 24 is equal to 24. You all know 1 day is given. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours plus these 2 hours. Total 26 hours. Okay. Or you can write it in this way also. 1 multiplied by 24 is equal to 24 hours plus 2 more hours. So it's also is equal to 26 hours. This is up to you. In any way you can write. Okay, children. After that 26 hours we have. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. MINUTES. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That's why 26 hours would be 26 multiplied by 60. 26 को 6 के साथ पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Let us do in the rough work column. 26 multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 2s are 12 and 3 15. Okay. 156 and multiplicand and multiplier में there are only 1 0. That's why 0 here. 1560 minutes. Okay, children, this is the answer. Now let us do question number 5. How many minutes are there in the following? इनमें टोटल कितने मिनट्स होंगे? क्वार्टर आवर. क्वार्टर आवर means when you speak quarter hour, it means 15 minutes. As big as quarter means a period of 15 minutes. So quarter hour means 15 minutes. Minutes is already written here. Only 15. Quarter means a period of 15 minutes. Half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. 3/4 of an hour. Quarter means 15 minutes. A period of 15 minutes as I prescribed here. 3/4 means 3 times 15. 15 3s are 45. 15 multiplied by 3 as here 3/4 and quarter means 15. So 3 times 15. 15 1s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 3s are 45. 1 and a quarter hour. 1 and a quarter hour. Quarter hour means 15 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and 15 minutes more. It means total 75 minutes. Okay, 60 plus 15 is equal to 75. Now let us do activity. A group of friends go on a sea voyage to Singapore. There are round clocks and digital clocks on the board. The Sea Princess join the clocks that show the same time. Round clock, digital clock. This is the time showing in round clock and this is the time showing in digital clock. The ship is supposed to reach land at 5:45 exactly. Circle the clocks that show this time. The ship is supposed to reach land at 5:45 exactly. Circle the clocks that show the time. Here we have to circle the time 5:45. In the round clock, which clock is showing the time 5:45? In 5:45, there is condition the minute hand must on 9. If you will see carefully in this one, the minute hand is at 9 means 45 and the hour hand is between 5 and 6. It means this clock is showing 5:45. And in this one, 5:45 means 5:45. Second, tick the clock that says 4:45. 4:45 means 4:45, in which 15 minutes remain to be 5. 4:45. Which clock is showing 4:45 time? In this one, the minute hand is at 9. 9 5s are 45 and our hand is in between 4 and 5. It means 4:45, this clock. And in digital clock, 4:45. We have to do tick here. So, not circle, do tick here. Okay. And the next is put a cross next to the clock that says 12 minutes past 5. Which clock is showing the time 12 minutes past 5? Means 5 bajkar 12 minutes extra. In this one, 5, 2 5s are 10 and 2 12. And 5:12 in this digital clock. Okay. According to the given statement, we have to join the same time showing clocks also. So these both are showing same time. These both are showing same time. These one and these one. Join up the units of time that are same coloring the box with the same color. One has been done for you. 1 minute, 60, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 minute के आपको equivalent find out करना है. Such as 1 has been done for you. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So both are colored same. Next one is 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So color them blue. You can take color of your choice. I am taking blue. 1 year. 1 year is equal to 365 days, or you can say 12 months. 1 year. Yellow orange color is equal to 12 months. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Where is the 7 days? 1 week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. And the last one, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Children, I am not so good in drawing, so I have done according to me. Next is question number 3. Draw and correct the clocks according to the time. Okay, so let's do this question. It's 1 hour. Time is given 1 o'clock, or you can recite it 1. Okay, children, so in the first clock, there is time given 1 o'clock, or you can recite it 1. According to this, the time is 1, or 1 we can also say 1 o'clock. So let's make 1 here. When the time is 1, then the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 1. Okay children, you all know this thing very well. So let us draw the hands. Minute hand is at 12. And hour hand at 1. So this is 1 o'clock. After that 12 o'clock. Minute hand at 12. Hour hand also at 12. It's 12 o'clock. Okay children, 6:45 means quarter to 7. 9 fives are 45. And the last one is, the time is 3:15 means quarter past 3. Minute hand at 3. 5 threes are 15 or 3 fives are 15. Hour hand also at 3. Okay children, so here we have done this exercise. Now let us take your homework. Okay children, so this is your homework. Do exercise 1C in notebook. And these are the parts. Question number 3, parts B and D. Question number 4, parts A and C. And page number 14, complete in book. Okay children, so this work you have to do in your notebook till here, and page number 14 you have to do in your book. Okay children, understood? Now let us discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. Republic Day is in the month of January, 26th January. March has dash days, 31 days. January, February, March. Dash, dash, dash and dash have 30 days. First of all, April, June, September, and then November. Okay, convert into days. You had to done B and D parts. Let's see B part. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 6 month is equal to 6 multiplied by 30. 6 threes are 18, 1 0. Or you can do multiplication here. 6 0 6 6 0 0, 6 threes are 18. 180 days. After that 52 weeks. Part D. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 52 weeks is equal to 52 multiplied by 7. 7 twos are 14.